Welcome to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and in today's video I have a little bit of an update on the building or mining garage situation. I had some big trees with a lot of branches and all kinds of like brush and stuff, big tops as a lot of people would say. I had to get those cut down, so I had all the underbrush and all the small trees done and out in our last video. My dad came over. Thank you, Dad, much appreciated. And he cut down, I think it was five big trees. And a couple of them you'll see where like we used a machine to push on it while he's cutting. Yeah, it went good though. And this is basically a lot of time lapse footage. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, there's plenty of it to enjoy, and it's kind of cool like seeing the machine like drag it all around and like pile it up. So if you do, awesome. If you don't, that's cool too, and you can just click off the video, and we got more stuff coming soon. So yeah, peace out. We'll see you on the next one. Adios. Roll the footage. Boom. All right, guys, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And this is the current situation in the backyard. So big brush pile is gone and burned down. Brought my skid steer home so we can actually start doing some grading. Dug out a huge stump right there. Logan, thank you for that. The stumps are actually back here. This one was just massive. Check out that bad boy. Look at that huge stump right there. So dug that one out. Also, Logan dug out a couple other ones. That one's pretty decent size. This crater right here is nothing compared to the crater that one left. That one left a huge crater over there. He had already filled it in though. I'm gonna start, well, let's see. I really need to dig me a hole so I can bury these stumps somewhere at the back side of the property that I'm not gonna use anymore. Because you don't want to bury stumps anywhere where you plan on building anything, because as they break down over time, that ground is going to settle out, so you can't build anything on top of them. But me digging some ground out and getting down to that nice, pretty, like, you know, red stuff right there, that's actually really good for compaction. So we'll dig that out, we'll put the stumps in there, we'll use some of that dirt in where I'm going to put the pad for the concrete to build that up. Yeah, it'll be a good time. So I'm just talking out loud here. I need to get to work. All right, guys, so I dug out that hole right there. Pretty deep, hopefully deep enough. I put a lot of the dirt that had organic materials and leaves and all that kind of stuff right here, and then all of the good, pretty red dirt that we should be able to roll in and actually compact right there. So got two dirt piles. Now that hole, I'm hoping, is big enough that I can put that big stump in. So yeah, I'm gonna try to roll that thing over here and plop it in.